Croeso. Setachi. I am Carl. This is my Lingo Kingdom, where I talk about learning the languages of the Isles. Cymraeg, Nihongo, and Gaelic. Now I'm taking the placement test for Welsh in Glossika, which is a bit of a farce. If you want to know why, then you can watch the video right up here. Now I'm going to actually look at one of the lessons for Welsh in Glossika and see how it is. If you've watched some of my other videos about how I'm learning Welsh, which, once again, you can see up here or down in the description, you will know that this is a newer one for me. I've used Duolingo, I've used Say Something in Welsh a little bit, watched some YouTube videos, but Glossika is actually a first time for me. So I'm curious to see what it'll be like. So I've reset everything so that I'm starting from A1 with Welsh. I've done no lessons yet. Let's click Learn New Items and see what happens. Mae'r bagiau man drwm. Let's see how I did.
These bags are heavy.
Mae'r bagiau man drwm.
Mae'r
bagiau man drwm.
Mae'r bagiau yn drwm.
Mae'r bagiau man drwm. Mae'r bagiau man drwm.
Okay, that was weird. It was still
The bus is
replaying.
late.
Mae'r bws yn hwyr.
Wait,
Mae'r bws yn hwyr.
wait, how do I... No, I want to go back. No. Okay, as somebody whose day job is in UX, user experience, this is annoying. I wanted to go back to the previous exercise, not exit the whole lesson. Maybe I need to write a UX article about this and publish it on Medium. If you're interested in UX or the UX world, then you should check out some of my articles on there. Let's try this again. Mae'r bws yn hwyr.
The bus is late.
Mae'r bws yn hwyr.
Mae'r bws yn hwyr. Okay. Mae'r bws yn hwyr.
This bag is heavy.
Mae'r bag yma'n drwm.
Mae'r bag yma'n drwm. Okay, so if I record it, I'm not able to listen to it back? I thought the whole point was to be able to listen to it and then compare. I do like, however, that you can look at these. Bag yma'n drwm. And that it has IPA as well as kind of a more standard-ish transliteration. So that's interesting. Why is it wanting me to submit though? Is somebody going to be grading this? Is this like a test? I'm kind of confused about how this works. Skip easy, mark favorite. Okay, that's cool. Mae'r bag yma'n drwm.
Mae'r bag yma'n drwm.
Mae'r bag yma'n
Mae'r
drwm.
bag yma'n drwm.
Mae'r bag yma'n drwm.
Are you ready?
Wyt ti'n barod? Wyt ti'n barod?
Wyt yn barod? Wyt yn barod?
You're lazy.
Rwyt ti'n ddiog. Rwyt ti'n ddiog.
Rwyt ti'n ddiog.
This bag is heavy.
Mae'r bag yma'n drwm. Mae'r bag yma'n drwm.
Okay, we already did this one. What happens if I hit not now? Not a good time to record? Yes, skip recording.
Are you ready?
Wyt ti'n barod?
Wyt ti'n barod? Wyt ti'n barod?
These bags are heavy.
Mae'r bagiau yma'n drwm.
Mae'r bagau yma'n
Bagiau yma'n drwm.
drwm. Okay, and then it just automatically goes to the next.
You're lazy.
Rwyt ti'n ddiog.
Rwyt ti'n ddiog. Rwyt ti'n ddiog.
The bus is late.
Mae'r bws yn hwyr.
Mae'n bws yn hwyr. Mae'r bws yn hwyr.
Are you ready?
Wyt ti'n barod?
Wyt ti'n
Wyt
barod?
ti'n barod?
Wyt ti'n barod?
You're lazy.
Wish there was a longer pause between them repeating each phrase, but that's also because I'm kind of used to Mango doing that. So maybe there's some people who want to hear it a couple times before they practice, or they want to be able to pause it. So that's fine. Rwyt yn ddiog.
You're lazy.
Rwyt ti'n ddiog.
Rwyt ti'n ddiog.
Rwyt ti'n ddiog.
Rwyt ti'n ddiog.
The bus is late.
Mae'r bws yn hwyr.
Mae'r bws yn hwyr.
This bag is heavy.
You gonna do any new ones?
Mae'r bag yma'n drwm.
Mae'r bag yma'n drwm.
Bag yma'n drwm.
Mae'r bag yma'n drwm. Okay.
These bags are heavy.
Mae'r bagiau yma'n drwm.
Mae'r bagau yma'n drwm.
Bagiau yma'n drwm.
Mae'r bagau yma'n drwm.
The bus is late.
Mae'r bws yn hwyr.
Mae'r bws yn hwyr.
Okay, skip.
Are you ready?
Wyt yn barod.
These bags are heavy.
Wait, you just skipped one. You skipped two when I hit. It skipped two of them. What? Okay. What in the world? Mae'r bagau yma'n drwm.
These bags are heavy.
Mae'r bagiau yma'n drwm. Mae'r bagiau yma'n drwm.
This bag is heavy.
One thing that I wish this could do, I wish I could like turn off the English audio. You would need it if you're doing audio only, like if you're trying to do it on your phone while you're working and you're not able to look at your screen, but I would like to be able to disable that. Is that what this button does? Switch to full practice mode. Okay. Let's see.
This bag is heavy.
Mae'r bag yma'n drwm. Mae'r bag yma'n...
Bag yma'n drwm.
Mae'r bag yma'n drwm.
You're lazy.
Rwyt ti'n ddiog.
Rwyt ti'n
Rwyt ti'n
ddiog.
ddiog.
Rwyt ti'n ddiog.
Are you ready?
Wyt ti'n barod? Wyt ti'n barod?
Wyt ti'n barod. Oh, and then you have to type it in. Okay. Wyt yn barod. Okay, I can't see. Wyt ti'n barod. Okay. Wyt ti'n barod. Okay.
Are you ready?
Wyt ti'n barod?
Wyt ti'n barod.
Wyt ti'n barod?
Okay.
These bags are heavy.
Bagiau yma'n drwm. Mae'r bagiau yma'n drwm.
Mae'r bagau yma'n drwm. Mae'r bagau yma'n drwm. I remember drwm. I don't remember the rest. Mae'r bagau yma'n. Mae'r bagau yma'n drwm. Okay. So this is useful. This is a bit like Duolingo.
Rwyt ti'n ddiog. Rwyt ti'n ddiog.
Rwyt i'n ddiog. Or is it rwyt i'n ddiog? Oh, I was close. I was only one letter off. Rwyt i'n ddiog. No, I was two letters off. Excuse me. Rwyt. Is it root or rwyt?
Rwyt ti'n ddiog.
Rwyt i'n ddiog.
Rwyt ti'n ddiog.
It's a little both. Rwyt i'n ddiog.
You're lazy.
Rwyt ti'n ddiog.
Rwyt i'n
Rwyt ti'n
ddiog.
ddiog.
Rwyt i'n ddiog.
This bag is heavy.
Okay. Mae'r bagau in drwm. Mae bagau yn drwm. Mae'n drwm. Back. Oh, bagau is plural. Okay, that's right, because that was these bags and then this bag. Honestly, I think that's confusing. I think it's confusing to have both of those in the same lesson. Especially if they're not beside each other, like so you can compare. But that's just me. Mae'r bag yma'n drwm.
This bag is heavy.
Mae'r bag yma'n drwm. Mae'r bag yma'n drwm.
Bag yma'n drwm.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Wyt ti'n barod? Wyt ti'n barod?
Wyt ti'n barod? Hey, I got it right.
You're lazy.
Rwyt ti'n ddiog.
Da iawn.
Rwyt ti'n ddiog.
Rwyt yn ddiog. I got it right again.
This bag is heavy.
Mae'r bag yma'n drwm. Mae'r bag yma'n drwm.
I was typing. Mae'r bag man drwm. Mae'r bag man drwm. I love that Welsh is so phonetic. Can we just... I wish I could like high five my ancestors and be like, good job. Okay, don't... No. No, I wanted to look at that. Why did you keep going? There should have been a way to like keep it from doing that. But I do like that it shows the dwi wedi blino. Dwi'n llyged. Mae o'n chwerthin. Mae o'n chwerthin. Wyt ti'n teimlo'n iawn? Dwi wedi diflasu. This is my best attempt at trying to say these without being coached first. So I guess that's what would happen.
I'm
But
tired.
Stop.
Dwi wedi blino.
Go. No, go back. Okay. So that's what a Welsh lesson looks like in Glossika. Not exactly what I expected. I reckon I would look at things a little differently if I was purely going to analyze just the UX and the user experience. But from a language perspective, there's a couple things that are a little odd, but I think I could get used to. I think this might be something that I use in the future. But I would want to know if I can do this like audio only, where it's like on my phone, almost like the Say Something in Welsh podcast style, or if I can also do it in this interactive way where I can do the typing. I would want to be able to do both, kind of like do the audio just on my phone and then do the typing on my laptop, that kind of thing. So that was my first Welsh lesson in Glossika. If you have used Glossika before, especially for Welsh, maybe not, let me know down in the comments. Mash that like button if you want me to make more stuff like this. And if you really, really want me to make more stuff like this, please consider donating to my Patreon so that you can support me every month and I can make videos more frequently. Hwyl!